Students traveling to the US for studies may not require a vaccine certificate or a vaccine passport. The latest development that has come up with a discussion with Indian Express with the US consulate has led to this point. I will share with you the complete details of this till the end of this video. Keep watching for all the details, whether universities would need a vaccine certificate or a vaccine passport, or it is a specific case for each and every individual while they travel. All questions are answered till the end of this video. Watch it carefully. Thank you so much. Indian Express recently interviewed a member from the US Embassy talking about that COVID vaccination certificates may not be required as a proof for entrance in the country, but a negative RT-PCR report of COVID-19 is sufficient. What they are trying to indicate is that a lot of students are wanting to join as well as enter back into US, but there are a few things that they are trying to address, that the applications for visas will be taken up quickly in July and August, and a lot of students are asking some questions regarding the continuation and resumption plans. We want to also highlight this, that the description has the link of this complete article. What you need to check is that this information comes from the embassy, but what is important to understand is that there is going to be a evaluation process by the US organizations of colleges, and these colleges actually are independent of each other and they actually make their own rules, and university may have a different guideline. If university insists on a completely vaccinated certificate, then that needs to be presented. If that is not specifically indicated, only a negative RT-PCR report may be sufficient. There is also information regarding people who want to fly and will have to do a quarantine if they do not have a vaccination certificate. All these guidelines are mentioned in this article. The link I am leaving in the description, because it's very important that these appointments are taken again if they have been cancelled, and a specific requirement of a vaccination certificate, if required by the college insisted, then you might have to provide it. Also, for people who are non-immigrant visa holders as well as tourists who have to travel, please consult the embassy for all the information. We are going to share the link in the description. Read it out very carefully. Whatever points are required, please try to address it. Reach out to the embassy for all the information that is needed for your visa appointments as well as vaccine passport. This video has been made in order to give you this information.